When a company moves from NAV or Business Central on-prem to the cloud, defining what the future cloud ERP should achieve is critical. That's why defining a migration and maintenance strategy is all about setting the right direction and avoiding usual pitfalls. It is the main point where expectation meets technical clarity. We define what the go-live should look like and align with key stakeholders on the overall direction. This way, everyone shares the same understanding of the cloud migration goals and what it takes to reach them. This gives our customers a better view of the Business Central Cloud and lets you plan realistic timelines, budgets, and avoid mistakes. Defining migration and maintenance strategy is successful when the strategy is documented and aligned with business goals, migration phases are clearly defined, all stakeholders approve the go-live vision and overall directions. Finally, with a clearly defined migration strategy, maintenance plan, and analysis of current on-prem NAV or Business Central, we can confidently build a practical roadmap to the Business Central Cloud.